All right, guys, so I want to show you today how to connect your phone to your laptop so that you can use it. We're going to make the phone a Wi-Fi hotspot. That's what that's called. So basically, we're going to use the data from the phone to power the internet on this. So right now, there's no Wi-Fi. So it says right here, no internet. So I'm going to make sure that's the case. I'm going to enter that, no internet. And I'm going to try to use the phone in order to give this access to the internet. So how do I do that? Well, you go to settings. This is an Android phone. This is Galaxy S23. You go to connections, right? Hit connections, and then here's the Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn the Wi-Fi off here. And I'm going to go to mobile hotspot and tethering, okay? So I'm going to press that. Now I'm going to pull the phone away. Okay, actually here, it says mobile hotspot. So I'm going to toggle this on. And then I'm going to pull the phone away because I'm going to tap on it, and I don't want you guys to see my password. So it says here, it's on, right? And then it'll give you the name of the network. So this is going to call this, on mine, it's going to be, the network name is going to be Galaxy S23 Ultra Ad. Underneath that, it's going to have a password. And the first time you do this, you're going to have to type in a password. So just make up a password. And then what you do is you go back to your computer, right? And you go down here where it says no internet. Click on that and go up here and go to Wi-Fi, and then turn the Wi-Fi on, right? Now mine wants to connect automatically to one of my networks, but I'm looking for Galaxy 23, there it is, Ultra Ad 3, right? So I'm gonna click on that, and I'm gonna go, and it's gonna go connect automatically. Now the first time you do this, you're gonna have to type in the password. Oh, here it's gonna have me enter the password. So I'm gonna do that off camera, so I don't have to change my password after I do this. And then it says it's connected, right? And it's secured. And now down here we have what looks like a Wi-Fi symbol. So we're connected. So now we can go up to Google and type in D&D Beyond, and we can click on that, and we go to that website, and now I can teach my D&D class to kids. So I'm going to be teaching a class, and you can see here it's using the mobile data right here. And I supposedly have an unlimited plan, so I got to call and find out, because if I'm going to be using this for an hour while I'm teaching kids, I'm going to be teaching kids chess, and I wanted to go to chess.com and be able to show them puzzles and things like that, and then I can hook a cable in here and show it on one of the big monitors at the front of the classroom. But anyway, that's how you set up your phone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. If you have any questions about this, let me know, and I'll do it again, or I'll answer your questions. Thanks for subscribing. I try to do these kind of videos for people who maybe don't like those really snappy flash cuts, people like my age, who like somebody who speaks with a conversational tone and explains things to them. So if you have questions, let me know, and I'll do my best to do that. Thanks for subscribing. There's 15,500 of you out there right now who have subscribed to my channel. You guys are great. And I got other channels starting here as well. So if you can support me by doing that, that'd be great. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.